Hey everybody, Travis, Holzem, Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I finished the spiral for the most part. All I have to do is add another layer of my special soil and plant it out, and I'll plant it out tomorrow along with the second one, but I'm going to rebuild the first one. It's only going to take about 2 hours because it's already laid out, and yeah, it's just gonna make it more solid with the landscape glue for the bricks, and it's gonna be, so they'll both be ready to plant it tomorrow. But I'm gonna turn you around and show you. Here you go. See, now we got, for people that do not understand the herb spiral, see how you got the high ground, and as you go around you see the slope goes down. It's going to be a lot more smooth and everything. Then it's going to get a layer of mulch once everything is planted out, and that's to keep the moisture in the soil and keep the elements off the soil so it doesn't dry out. And overall it's better to have everything mulched. But my battery's going to run out here in a minute. I just wanted to show you that's what an herb spiral will look like, or this style anyway. There's many different styles you can make. I mean, you can use any type of brick you want. You could use pavers, you could use uneven bricks. I've built them with limestone bricks I found on a property, and it happened to be the very first one I ever built, and it's in Austin, Texas at the Dell Big Tree studio for the high wire. But it was a bunch of limestone bricks I found on the property that have probably been laying there for about 20 years. So loaded them up and I built an herb spiral out of them. Every one was uneven, different sizes, so it basically took me 5 hours to put it together, just because I had to fit all these uneven bricks together. But it turned out beautiful, and I can actually, if you go to the website foodforestabundancemn.com and you go to my portfolio, you can see that herb spiral in there. And I'm going to start adding just images of herb spirals and some of the other things I build, like grape trellises, kiwi trellises, blackberry trellises, and compost bins. And right here I am building an L-shaped enclosed raised garden bed, and then on the front side of the L is going to be a bench for this fire pit area. This fire pit's going to be removed. There's another one, and so this is going to be the annual garden right here. So it's probably going to be 4 feet by 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet. So going to have 2 4-foot by 3-foot beds, or four by 3 beds with a path in between, so you can walk in between them. With it's going to have a fence around it to keep the deer out, and a door so you can walk in. And then I'm going to put some grape trellises on the back of it, just to get a couple grape vines going off the backside, and maybe some other vining food. But that's that. I'm rebuilding this one, and that's the finished. So that one over there is going to look like this. Anyway, that's what we got for you today so far. Nothing exciting, but I'm glad to have that one done. But grow food, not lawns, my friends. You want anything like this in your yard, give me a shout. Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or go to my website foodforestabundancemn.com, hit my contact form, or you can send me a text message at 612-990-5345. But please send a text, don't call. Anyway, that's that, my friends. Have a great one, and we'll talk to you soon. See